In Revit, almost every element is controlled using the Properties Palette. By default, the Properties Palette is usually available on the left side of the Revit interface. The properties displayed here change depend on what you select in the project. For example, if I select a wall, Revit displayed the properties related to that wall. If I select a door, the properties automatically updates for the selected door. And if nothing is selected, Revit displays the properties of the current view. Before we continue, if you would like to practice using the same exact Revit file shown in this video, I can share it with you. So you just have to do two things. First, hit the like button and then go to the comment section and type, please send the file along with your email ID. That's it. I will try to send the practice file so you can follow along and learn by doing. Now at the top of the properties palette, we have the type selector. The type selector is used to switch between different types of elements. For example, I can change this wall from one wall type to another wall type directly from here. Right below that, we have the properties filter. This shows the category and the number of selected elements. In this example, selecting a wall displays wall within bracket 1 means one wall is selected. Again, select the ducts. It shows ducts within bracket 2. It means 2 ducts is currently selected. And next we have the edit type button. The edit type button or the edit type opens the type properties dialog. Type properties affects all similar elements of the same type in the project. For example, you can see there are two doors of same type, 36 cross 80, and the other door is also 36 cross 80. So I'm selecting one of the door and clicking on edit type, and whatever the parameters and the properties appearing here, it is called as type properties. Now let us say I'm changing the width to 2 feet and click OK. Now you can closely watch both the doors are changed to 2 feet. So this is what type property is. If you change one of the door, it will affect all the doors of the same type. Below that, we have the instance properties section. Instance properties affects only the selected element. For example, changing the wall height or offset here will affect only this selected wall. And similar, selecting a window and changing the head height to 5. It will only affect this particular window. And the same goes for the door. Select any one of the door and change the head height to 8. And only that door is getting affected. So understanding the difference between the instance properties and the type properties is one of the most important basics in Revit. Instance properties controls one selected element, while type properties controls all similar elements. If you really like this video, hit the like button and give me a thumbs up in the comment. And if you have any doubts in Revit or BIM, just type them in the comment section. I will try to create video on those topics as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.